It almost got to me. That truck there tells me they're putting up a red light. Red light camera, speed camera for sure. Ever want to live in a city? All the noise pollution, red light cameras, speed cameras, you name it. I'm heading out to Home Depot and Lowe's. Oh yeah, I gotta get that stop leak. I gotta do some work today. It's my day off, and I'm enjoying it. You bet. Isn't it great to wake up and notice that you made $30 free from DJI? Actually, $32 and change. Oh, was I happy. Last week or so, settlement cases. Oh yeah, I made $52 that way as well. And I cashed in at Amazon. I got some credit there because those cards expire, those settlements for sure. The DJI credit is only good at DJI and I believe expires at the end of December. So I gotta use it soon. What am I gonna get? I could get an Osmo Action 2, but that ain't coming out till at least a year. A Pocket 2. Oh yeah, I could put it towards that. And they're down to like what, $199 the Pocket? And that's good enough for me. What does the 2 have that the 1 don't have? I don't know. Sometimes the latest and the greatest is not the best in the world, but at least you're in the time to get them. You know what I mean. You don't have to be the first one to get the latest product on the market. I like using my Osmo, the Action, no doubt about it. The one thing I don't like about it is it doesn't have a red LED on the back screen, which I like to see. The bullet is the only thing I can see on the screen. My camera's in the front, it's on, the back is off, and the only thing I can see is the top of the camera if it's flashing red. Another thing I don't like about my Osmo, and I love about it, it don't have that little hyper smooth 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0 dot on the screen when the sun hits it. I love Rocksteady. Excellent job, DJI. Excellent job. Not because I got $30. I'm gonna go look for some anchor supports for the cement. I gotta get some bolts, I believe 2.5 inches. That'll do. And of course the water stop. And we're almost there. I'm gonna put my camera away till I get to the hardware store. I got my bolts, I got my water stop. Off I go. All right, I got my 35 pounds of hydraulic cement. And it's loads of fun trying to hop on the bike and the kickstand is down and the bike will just fall right over. So I take my time going home. But if you want to take your time, read some books, be my guest. So I'd rather pay $1 more, $17.99, and I got my anchors, and I got my bolts, and I got some washers, so I'm ready to do my job. Road for a bike, not a car. Now what am I supposed to do? I now got to go on the grass and go around. Luckily I can go off-road. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. Watch out for the tree, Ohio Fred. Watch out for the pothole. Off I go. Made it safely. 35 pounds on the back of the bike. Oh man, it just throws you for a loop. rapid set, water stop. I used it on the base over here. Very easy to get to. In here is where I had a leak. Right here I can get to. I can lean in and do my work as far as I can go. But when I get further into the area, I believe it was like 5 or 6 studs, and I forget if it's starting this stud or the stud that's a foot inside. Normally studs are what? 16 to 18 inches apart. I'm not skinny enough to get in there, but if I do get in there, I'm going to get stuck. I can almost fit in. Years ago, that's what I used to do. Squeeze between these panels. And man, let me tell you, that's how skinny I was. So what I am going to do is I'm going to take one of my poles, because all of my poles, one of them's got a problem, each individual one. At least I can open this up, and I got a great length to do. Well, I don't want to break a spatula. I do have to have it on an angle, and I'm not sure how I'm going to get that angle. But I can put a piece of wood in there, and I'm going to have to give a couple of tries. So first thing I need to do is just take a piece of tape. That's how we're going to get it on. Get it on there as best you can. And I don't want to waste all this tape right now. I just want to demonstrate if it's right or wrong. And let's see what it looks like.